create some. When I apply this script, you can see the menu totally changed. I have new title here. I have new list of reports, and it is fully functional. For example, I can open another report by this link. So this was showcase of client API usage, and I can show you also one of our customers that applied white labeling, localization, and also this client API. Wait a second. This is our technical documentation. You have a lot of information about these all options and embedding options and accessibility options that I am presenting you right now. And this is, for example, a screenshot of their application. This is Beladati instance, fully translated to Chinese language, with customized CSS style sheet applied, with customized logo. So they are using no logo. In this case, this is report, and they changed the look and feel because, for example, you can see they created their own menu, your own navigation menu with reports, with users, with some options, and another settings. So you can see with client API, with white labeling, and so on, you can totally change the look and feel of Beladati. So I will move back to my presentation. Wait a second, please. So as I said, you can utilize the client API. It is available in the browser. You can operate with reports, dashboards, filters, variables, comments, and so on through this client API. I already present you an example of one of our customers in China, and this is a customized web application based on REST API and SDK. I can show you again if it is time to do it. And this is again from our technical documentation. We prepare SDK demo. You can log in. And you can see here is some application. They are listing some reports. You can open some report and do some filtering and so on and so on. You can create comments. So this is showcase of Beladati. This is just next showcase of extending Beladati. I think it is not necessary to show you all the showcases or customers. And at the end of the presentation, I will say something about single sign-on. You can use single sign-on in Validati and your application. If you are using some protocols like SEML, Kerberos, or SP negotiation protocol, we are fully supporting this kind of single sign-on with user and domain provisioning and Validati API-based simplified single sign-on. It means through our REST API, you can log in and obtain some token, which will be used in all communications or all in all requests. So you are using passwords in a human readable format in requests. We also have federated login, which is that the user is redirected to common login page provided by some third-party application, for example, centralized authentication server. This centralized authentication server will respond to our application if you were successfully logged in or not, and we will then show you the content in Validati, or you will be redirected back to login page to provide some valid credentials. These are user directories. We are using native Validati database or Active Directory, LDAP, or SQL Server. So you can store your users and information about these users in these types or in these storages. We can provide also automatic synchronization, for example, with LDAP and authentication of users. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your interest. And if you have any questions,
Hello. How to deploy? Hello.
Hi, hello.
How to deploy? Hello.
Yeah, thank you, Elko. It's somehow complicated, but it's quite interesting. I think for customization, we may need this information for us. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, all these informations are accessible on our webpage. Rather, we'll send you a link to our technical documentation, and you can find all and more information about these options there.
Yeah, sure.
Actually, it maybe seems complicated, but this is not complicated. When you go through documentation and you see our examples, you know, majority basically this change of feel and look. Basically, this Chinese menu which you have seen, to do something like this takes about 1 day, program it, and then a couple of days for fine tuning. And some portions are really done. You know, our data functional analysts, not programmers, but even, you know, data functional analysts in 5 minutes. So that it maybe sounds complicated, but in reality it's not complicated. So and that's anyways second part usually of the project. So first is
it's quite interesting. Very thankful to you for your valuable time and so much of technology you have shared to us.
Okay.
You are welcome.
So now, Madhuri, would you like that we make you presenter, and you wanted to continue to show us something?
Yeah, you can continue. I think if you are okay, then Vatima is also okay because we have prepared already for the long session.